Hello guys, today we're unboxing some quad lock mounts and cases. Is that better? I don't know. We'll see. This is the Mac case for iPhone 13, the motorcycle handlebar mount that's compatible with this Mac case, and one accessory for the back of the case that will be used to tuck our fingers. And yeah, let's start with the case. There is this nice pull tab here that you can use to open it. I already broke the plastic cover, but yeah, this is the case. It says that the case is MagSafe compatible. You can see it here, MagSafe compatible, and it has quad lock compatibility. It's impact resistant, edge to edge detection, and there are some of the mounts that the case is compatible. Oh, it's designed in Australia. I didn't know that these are quad lock are Australian brand, and it says Mac compatible, and here it says MagSafe. So MagSafe is Apple, the Apple branding, and Mac is quad lock branding, not to be confused. But this one is MagSafe certified, so it should be working with your MagSafe accessories. The case itself is pretty nice. It has this soft foamy material inside, and on the sides it's something like a very hard rubber. The case is very good because this is a new type of case with this Mac compatibility, because the previous cases had this bulb here that was protruding from the material, and it was a bit clumsy when you put this in your pockets. But now this one, it's better because it's completely flush and you can use it with MagSafe accessories. I will get one of my MagSafe accessories to show you. And yeah, it's pretty nice case. We'll see how it holds to the phone. Now let's unbox the motorcycle handlebar mount. 360 compatible, so you can rotate this part here, and easy to attach, detach with provided hex tool. Yes, there is a hex tool inside, compatible with all quad lock cases and quad lock universal adapters. Yes, still designed in California, but I don't know where it's built. Maybe it's built somewhere, maybe it's written, but I don't see it now. Yes, it's made in China. Okay, everything is made in China, and that's good, why not? So we'll open here, try this one, see what's inside. Oh, some stickers that you can use, actually a lot of stickers. The manual, the warranty, and we have this. This is plastic, which is not very good for the environment, but I guess the other thing, the case itself is from cardboard. So this is the mount that you have to remove before use. We'll remove it like that. And it has these teeth inside, like on a gear teeth, that you should be able to match with these teeth here. So when you put your handlebar mount like that, you match the teeth, and you can adjust the angle to rotate it. Be careful not to apply too much rotation. So currently it's a bit angled, so if your motorcycle handlebars are with different angles, you can adjust that. And this one, it's adjustable as well. It has the same teeth, as you can see. Maybe I should use my other hand. Yep, so it has another set of teeth inside. Let's unscrew it nicely. Yeah, and these teeth can be used as well. I wonder if these can be used with these directly. Maybe I will check it later. But yeah, for now this is how it's done. And you just screw it. These are metal here, metal bolts, and they should snug really nicely with your wheel. I really like the material. It's hard plastic, it's not aluminum or metal, but the plastic seems pretty durable, and I guess it's tested for durability. And here you have to unscrew this bolt here, and you can use it to mount on your handlebar. This thing here goes on your handlebar. You have other fittings for different handlebars. This is for 25.4 millimeters. This is for 28 millimeters handlebars, and this is for 22 millimeter handlebars. So it will be fitting to a wide variety of handlebars. And this one is pre-installed. Maybe it's the one that most motorcycles have. So I guess you'll be able to fit this on a lot of types of motorbikes. We screw this back, and we'll see how this case goes here. So you can see the quad lock design. You angle it by 45 degrees and press, and then you have it like that. Then you have to push here to unlock it, angle at 45, and you can release it. You can then push, and you can use landscape, and you can rotate the handlebar mount like that, no, to landscape or to portrait mode, so it's easier. This is something that the SP Connect system doesn't do, but it can be done. But you have to unscrew all the things in SP Connect case, and it's time consuming. So this is good if you want to do it while on the road. Still, you have to use your two hands to press with one of these, or I don't know, maybe you can do it with one, but it's not very good. So yeah, this is the quad lock mount in the quad lock case, and you see this tiny little thing here. I don't know how to open it. Maybe I will use my knife here. I don't want to damage it, because still it will be a present for this friend that gave it to me to unbox it. I damaged it, but yeah. And this here, no, I have to damage it. I will not be able to open without damaging the box. That's not very good. You have this quad lock thing here. Yep, and it goes here like that. And you rotate it, and you can put your phone like that, or like that. So, or you can hold it with your hand not to fall, or not to be taken by some thieves while you are walking around in suspicious areas. Yep, and this is all the unboxing of the quad lock mount and quad lock case. I hope you liked my video, and please, if you want to see my other video with the SP Connect case, go in my channel. I may put a link somewhere here on the screen. So yeah, this is all. We'll put it on the motorbike, and we'll see how it goes.